So let's start question number 2 of practice set 3.1. The question is write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D in each of the following. Means फर्स्ट टर्म ए दिया है एंड डी कॉमन डिफरेंस दिया है, इससे इसको यूज करके हम लोगों को एपी फॉर्म करना है, अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन फॉर्म करना है, राइट। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं सॉल्यूशन। फॉर द एपी A equal to 10 and D equal to 5. Therefore T1 equal to A, जो A है वही फर्स्ट टर्म है, T1 equal to 10. Therefore T2 equal to T2 क्या होता है, T1 में ही कॉमन डिफरेंस को ऐड करते हैं तो T2 आ जाएगा। So T2 equal to T1 plus D, जो कांस्टेंट डिफरेंस है D, T1 is 10 plus 5 equal to 15. Therefore T3 equal to T2 plus D. T2 is 15 plus D is 5 equal to 20. Therefore T4 equal to T3 plus D equal to 20 plus 5 equal to 25, right? So 4 terms AP के आ गए, therefore the AP is 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. इसके 4 टर्म्स हम लोग को लिखना था, लेकिन ये एपी है, अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है, आगे भी बढ़ेगा ये, तो ये एपी है, ठीक है। सो सेकंड क्वेश्चन, फॉर द एपी A equal to -3 and D equal to 0. Therefore T1 is equal to A equal to -3. T2 क्या हो जाएगा, T1 plus D equal to -3 plus 0 equal to -3. Therefore T3 equal to T2 plus D equal to -3 plus 0 equal to -3. Therefore T4 equal to T3 plus D equal to -3 plus 0 equal to -3, ठीक है। T2 -3 था, उसमें 0 ऐड किया, फिर वापस -3 आ गया, फिर T4 T3 plus D है तो T3 -3 था, उसमें 0 ऐड किया, -3 आ गया, मतलब कोई 0 ऐड करने से कोई चेंजेस तो नहीं आएंगे, तो इसका मतलब क्या है, therefore the AP is -3, -3, -3, -3 and so on, right? So let's start question number 3, where A equal to -7 and D equal to 1/2, right? So start करते हैं solution. In the AP, A is equal to -7 and D equal to 1/2. -7 and 1 D equal to 1/2. Therefore T1 equal to A क्या है, T1 है, -7. Therefore T2 equal to T1 plus D. T1 is -7 plus 1/2. 2 into -7 is -14 plus 1. So -14 plus 1/2 equal to -14 plus 1 is -13/2 equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, remaining 1, 2 5s are 10. Decimal आ गया, 2 5s are 10, so minus 6.5 आ गया, right? Therefore, T3 equal to T2 plus D. What is T2? Minus 6.5 plus 1 upon 2. 2 into minus 6.5? Minus 13. Minus 13 plus 1. So minus 13 plus 1 upon 2 equal to, minus 13 plus 1 is minus 12 upon 2 equal to, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, तो minus 6 हो गया, so minus 6 and T4, therefore T4 equal to T3 plus D equal to, what is T3? T3 is minus 6 plus D is 1 upon 2. 2 into minus 6 minus 12 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 2 minus 12 plus 1 is minus 11 upon 2. Minus 11 upon 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, remaining 1 decimal लो तो क्या हो गया, 10 हो जाएगा, 2 5s are 10, तो ये हो गया 5.5. So the AP is minus 6.5 minus 7 minus 6.5 minus 6 minus 5.5 and so on. This is the AP. Okay. So let's start question number 4. A equal to minus 1.25 and D equal to 3. So in the AP, A equal to minus 1.25 and D equal to 3. D equal to 3. Therefore, T1 equal to A equal to minus 1.25. Therefore, T2 equal to T1 plus D. What is T1? Minus 1.25 plus 3 equal to 3 minus 1.25 कितना होता है? ये माइनस प्लस माइनस होगा, साइन ग्रेटर नंबर की आएगी, मतलब ये प्लस की आएगी. 3 minus 2 1.25 is 1.75. So this is 1.75. ठीक है. Therefore, T3 equal to T2 plus D. T2 plus D, T2 क्या है? 1.75 plus D is 3 equal to 3 plus 1.7.5 is 4.75. Therefore, T4 equal to T3 plus D. T3 is 4.75 plus D is 3 equal to 7.75. 3 plus 4.75 is 7.75. Therefore, the AP is minus 1.25, 1.75, 4.75, 7.75 and so on, right? So this was question number 4. So let's start question number 5, where A equal to 6 and B is equal to minus 3. So start करते हैं solution. In the AP, A equal to 6 and D equal to minus 3. A equal to 6 and D equal to minus 3. Therefore, T1 equal to A equal to 6. Therefore T2 equal to T1 plus D. T1 क्या है? T1 6 है प्लस D -3 इक्वल टू प्लस -3 इक्वल टू 3. Therefore T3 equal to T2 plus D. What is T2? 3 plus D is -3. 3 plus minus 3 minus 3 is 0. Therefore T4 equal to T3 plus D equal to T3 is 0 plus D is -3 equal to 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3 is -3, right? So the AP is 6 3 0 minus 3 and so on, right? So now let's move to the question number 6, where A equal to -19 and D equal to -4, right? So in the AP A equal to -19 and D equal to -4. Therefore T1 equal to A equal to -19, T2 equal to T1 plus D. What is T1? -19 and D is -4. T1 plus D -19 -4 equal to -23. Therefore T3 equal to T2 plus D equal to, what is T2? T2 is -23 plus D is -4. -23 plus minus 4 equal to -27. Therefore T4 equal to T3 plus D. T3 is -27 and D is -4. -27 plus -4 equal to -31. Therefore the AP is -19 -23 -27 -31 and so on, right? So this was the question number 2. So let's start question number 3 of practice set 3.1. The question is find the first term and the common difference of each of the following AP. Means the question में जो sequence है वो क्या है? AP है already. So start करते हैं solution. The given AP is 5 1 -3 -7. Here T1 is 5, T2 is 1, T3 is -3 and T4 is -7. अब हम लोग को फाइंड क्या करना है इसमें? फर्स्ट टर्म एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस. सो फर्स्ट टर्म क्या हो जाएगा? therefore A is equal to T1 is equal to first term is 5, right? Now D क्या होता है? The difference between any two consecutive terms of the AP. Therefore so now T2 minus T1 is equal to D. T2 minus T1 means 1 minus 5 equal to -4. T3 minus T2 equal to -3 minus 1. -3 minus 1 is -4. And T4 minus T3 equal to -7 minus 3 minus 7 minus minus plus 3 equal to minus 4. So the common difference is minus 4 and first term is 5. Therefore, for the AP, for the given AP, the first term is 5 and common difference is minus 4. Right? So this was the solution of question number 1. Now let's move to the question number 2. The given AP is 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5 and so on. Here T1 equal to 0.6, T2 equal to 0.9, T3 equal to 1.2 and T4 equal to 1.5. Right? Therefore T1, T2, T3, T4 आ गए. Therefore अब यहाँ पर T1 क्या 0.6 है. Therefore A means first term is T1 equal to 0.6. Now common difference find करेंगे. Difference between any two consecutive terms of the AP. So now T2 minus T1 equal to D equal to T2 is 0.9 minus 0.6. 0.9 minus 0.6 is 0.3. T3 minus T2 equal to D equal to 1.2 minus 0.9. It will be also 0.3 and T4 minus T3 equal to D equal to 1.5 है. T4 क्या है 1.5, T3 क्या है 1.2, 1.5 minus 1.2 equal to 0.3. Therefore, for the given AP, the first term is 0.6 and the common difference is 0.3. Right? So this was the solution of question number 1 and 2. So let's start question number 3. जिसमें जो AP है that is 127, 135, 143, 151 and so on. So let's start the solution. The given AP is 127, 135, 143, 151 and so on. Here T1 equal to 127, T2 equal to 135, T3 equal to 143 and T4 equal to 151. Therefore, A equal to T1, A means first term, means T1 equal to कितना है 127. Now T2 minus T1 equal to D. कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या होता है, जो सेकेंड टर्म में से फर्स्ट टर्म को माइनस कर देंगे तो हमको कॉमन डिफरेंस आएगा. थर्ड में से सेकेंड को या फोर्थ में से थर्ड को माइनस करते हैं तो कॉमन डिफरेंस आ जाएगा. तो T2 minus T1 equal to D equal to what is T2 135 minus T1 127. 135 minus 127 is 8. T3 minus T2 equal to D equal to 143 minus 135 equal to 8. T4 minus T3 equal to D equal to 151 minus 143 equal to 8. So the common difference क्या आ रहा है? 8 है, common difference 8 है, first term 127. So इसका final answer लिखते हैं. Therefore in the given AP the first term is 127 and the common difference is 8 and the common difference is 8, right? So ये थर्ड क्वेश्चन हो गया. नाउ वी विल मूव टू द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पर जो AP है क्या है? 1/4, 3/4, 5/4, 7/4 and so on. So start करते हैं इसका solution. In the given AP is 1/4, 3/4, 5/4 and 7/4 and so on. ठीक है. So here T1 equal to 1/4, T2 equal to 3/4, T3 equal to 5/4 and T4 equal to 7/4. Therefore first term is T1 equal to 1/4, तो first term आ गया. Now T2 minus T1 equal to D equal to T2 minus T1 equal to D है. कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या है वो? 3/4 minus 1/4. डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, सो न्यूमरेटर को हम लोग तो फ्रैक्शन में क्या हो सकता है? एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन हो सकता है. सो 3 minus 1/4 equal to 3 minus 1/4 means 2/4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 equal to 1/2 equal to 1/2, right? Then उसके बाद T3 minus T2 equal to D is 5/4 minus 3/4, 5 minus 3/4, 5 minus 3 is 2, 2/4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1/2. So ये भी कितना आ गया? 1/2. Then T4 minus T3 equal to D is 7/4 minus 5/4, 7 minus 5/4, 2/4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1/2, right? So ये कॉमन डिफरेंस 1/2 आ गया और फर्स्ट टर्म 1/4 and therefore in the given AP the first term is 1/4 and the common difference is 1/2 and the common difference is 1/2. Okay, so this was the solution of question number 3rd and 4th.